Guys, we are moving today.
Oh, yeah.
So yeah, guys, as the title says, yeah, making that move. I've kind of been saying and putting little hints throughout a lot of my older videos that, hey, I'm going to be making that move. I'm trying to find a place that has a garage, blah, 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 blah. Like, I've been saying that stuff. And yeah, we finally, was able to put together, some funds, even in this crazy time we're living in now. Like, just saving money, just trying to make things happen. And, it worked out the way it worked out. And yeah, that's happening. Yeah, big garage, beautiful house. It's not in Miami. I've lived in Miami a good portion of my life. Small hint, I was born in, little tidbit, I was born in St. Thomas, Virgin Islands. And so my accent, my little island accent, I had that shit been and came and went. When you come to a whole different place so early, like I moved there, I think when I was 4 and 5 years old. And yeah, I had that accent. It was heavy too. But living in Miami, you pick up that dialect as you were a young kid, and I was teased usually. Like, basically I was teased when I was a kid. Usually, I picked up friends, but most of the time I was getting teased because of my accent as a kid. So over time, I just kind of just got rid of the accent, picked up that Miami lingo, and, that's what it is. I had a lot of New York friends. I had family in Connecticut, so people sometimes say that I have like a New Yorkish kind of accent or something. I don't hear it, but yeah, that's neither here nor there. I'm just kind of giving you guys a little background to me. It's gonna be a little bittersweet making this move, because I've lived in Miami basically all my life. You know what I mean? And it's kind of crazy when and just also, like, I'm a person that don't like change. Like, I hate change. I think when some things are going good in order, why divert yourself? Why put that monkey wrench in what you're comfortable with? So, this is going to be a big, shock to my system, making such a drastic. It's not like we're going down the street. It's not like we're going, you know what I'm saying? Like, I'm not going to be, 15, 20 minutes, not even like where the way I'm at right now in Hollandale, the beach is like straight down the street. But it's not like I'm going to be that where I'm going. From what my brother told me, they don't even have a beach up there. Like, you got to go to the west side of Florida. But it has to happen. You know what I mean? So I have to get out of my comfort zone to make this happen. And I don't want to, keep this going. And I don't want to talk you guys' head off. But, I'm going to a nice place, beautiful garage. I can get a lot more done there. I don't, living in this apartment, you got your people that live in the apartment, they think they're security guards and police. So anytime you do anything drastic to your car, like if I jack my car up, I'm already getting the front office complaining, saying that, hey, we have somebody. They never tell me who it is. They're like, well, we have somebody saying that you were working on your car, which we're cool with the front end people. But you start working on your car, you got people complaining. And another thing is, when I start working on my car, like, because there is no real mechanic around here, the minute I start working on my car, I got 1,001 people asking me, oh, do you work on cars? Can you fix my car? Like, fuck out of here. But yeah, I get to do what I love to do on my car and in the privacy of my own garage, and I can create more footage, more video. And I want to get to a point that I want to create a month's worth. That's a bucket list for me with my channel. I want to get to a month of just a video every day. I don't know how I'm going to do it. I don't know how extensive the videos will be. I don't even know what the content's going to be like. It may be, hey, I'm installing one part one day, and then we take a drive and see the city the next. See what the car scene is like. You know what I mean? If that's what you love, please subscribe while you can, because I'm gonna get to that point where I'm gonna be just dropping videos every day. Especially where I'm going, because the car scene up there is, from what I heard, crazy. And what I saw when I visited last week, it's gonna be crazy. It's gonna be crazy. So with that said, guys, I'm moving. I'm gonna show some moving stuff. We're gonna hop in the G. We gotta move. We gotta pack some stuff up. I don't want to bore you, but at the same time, I want to show you guys how the house is gonna look when we finally get up there. Okay. So yeah, let's go. Hey, and I want to thank all the people that have been subscribing to my channel, leaving the comments. I love every single one of y'all. Like, I really do. The fact that y'all can sit on my channel and watch me talk and do videos and show my car, and you showing good vibes in the comments. Love every one of y'all. Thank you so much for that. So yeah, this one is for you guys that really believed in me to make my channel grow and grow exponentially like how it has been. So I thank you so much for that. All right. With that being said, let's get these damn boxes out of here. Let's go. So yeah, we finally made it up here. As the time goes on, I'll disclose where I'm at. Just know I'm kind of like, I'm still in Florida, but I'm basically at the mecca of a lot of car shit that goes down. So, but yeah, this is my bay being used right now is like a holding place for boxes and crap. But yeah, relatively short video. I may or may not have given y'all a little bit of a tour. Huge shout out to my little brother, but he's basically like the older brother, because this dude is just a whole nother level. He super came through and was clutch. So appreciate it, Al. With that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed the video from start to finish, like I recorded back at the old place. So hey, love each other, stay driven. One.